So on this episode of Go On, Get Out of the House. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Really, really fast. Let's go! Let's do a road trip about an hour north of here. Go to Williamsport and go check out a waterfall. It's one of the top 10 in Indiana. And check out some sights on the way. What else we got to do for the day? So the first place, another covered bridge. I know, it's Park County. What are you gonna do? It's the Wilkins Mills Bridge. Another covered bridge, check, done. Let's hit the road again. Call my first audible. We're doing a divert for the Portland Arch. I don't know what it is, so let's go check it out. So we're at the Portland Arch Nature Preserve, Indiana. And a quick look around, you can see it's just out in the middle of the country. There's two of these types of parking lots. There's this one, there's another one just down the road. So let's go and take a look at what we can find here at the Portland Arch. So this nature preserve looks like it's mostly in this valley. It's been created by this stream cutting through all the sand rocks through here. It's pretty, it's quiet, it's hidden kind of. I'm the only one here, but it is Thursday. But it might be a nice alternative to Turkey Run if Turkey Run's kind of overflowing, because it's only about 30 minutes away from Turkey Run. We get a really nice view from here. It's really nice and quiet, sheltered from the wind from right here where I'm at. And, been allowed to work here. It's all new wood within about the last year or so. I can still smell it. So it looks like I finally found the arch. And though nature ain't forgiven, that doesn't mean she isn't kind. Okay, some concluding thoughts on this little walk. It's not too bad to go back around this way, come down to the creek, walk through the creek area, circle around, come right back up here. It's a nice little walk, free, plenty of parking right here. Not a whole lot of people. The trails are laid out really well. So this is a good thumbs up. This is a good find. Come out here and check it out. Williamsport Waterfalls, highest waterfall, free-falling waterfall in the state of Indiana. And you're literally right next to it. So this tiny little stream made that big waterfall. I'm guessing there was some time in the past there was much more water. Alright, it's Thursday around 2 in the afternoon, and I'm at Indiana's tallest waterfall. I have it all to myself. So it's pretty easy getting down there, but the grade coming up, whew, I took the steep part coming up. Get back up here on the trail, I'll wear you out. And from the cliff's edge, it's right over there, it's the downtown. So if you have a neat little place, only about an hour's worth of drive from where you live, that would make it for a great little day trip, put it down in the comments section, share with the rest of the world, so everyone will know where to go, and they just need to get out of the house